For many naturals like myself, an oil in our hair is a very crucial part of our natural hair care regime. Whether we use it for or as part of our LCO or LOC method, or we may use it as a hot oil treatment to help condition our hair. One of the struggles that many of us naturals have is what oil, or rather what combination of oils we should use in our hair. Many of us have tried, and sometimes with not success, created oil blends that may sometimes cause more harm than good. Speaking from experience. So today I want to share on some of the local brands that have their own oil blends that I absolutely love. Hey guys, it's your girl Chanel aka Nelly B, and first of all, if you are not subscribed, click that button down there. Make sure you subscribe, and then when you click subscribe, you see options come up, and make sure when you click that bell to see those options that you click all so that you never miss an update. Videos are coming out these days every Sunday. I don't want you guys to miss all the different information that I'm dropping in these videos. Secondly, a happy and holy Diwali to the Hindu community here in Trinidad and Tobago, as well as the Hindu community around the world. To all the non-Hindus, hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend, and to all the Trinbagonians here, I hope you guys are enjoying your long weekend. Today, I want to talk about oils. Now, for me, I cannot have a proper hair wash day or moisturizing detangling session without some sort of oil in the mix. And while I have used oils straight, whether it be castor oil, coconut oil, or avocado oil in my hair, and they work fine, I've realized that my hair benefits a lot better from a blend of carrier and essential oils. Now, if you're wondering what carrier and essential oils are, I will put a link in the description that will give you guys a pretty decent definition of what these oils are, as well as list some that can help you in terms of your oil experimentation. But if you're not into experimenting that much when it comes to oils, here are some of my local favorite oil blends that I've used and my hair absolutely loves. So the first one I want to talk about is the PYUA Organics Flaxseed and Lavender Strengthening Hair and Scalp Elixir. This one is made with olive oil, castor, grapeseed, sunflower, almond, flaxseed oil, lavender oil, and jasmine oil. Now, of course, like I said, lavender is one of my favorite scents, so I love the smell of this oil. This oil isn't too thick. It's actually one of the runnier oils that I have, so this one does not bog my hair down. I use this one on my scalp and on my hair as well. The next oil that I use is the Aviaire Wild Growth Hair Oil. This oil is made with castor, coconut, avocado, tea tree, rosemary, peppermint, and vitamin oil. And it also has in it fenugreek seeds and hibiscus flowers. Now, what I really like about the Aviaire oils is that all of them always have some little bit of goodness in it to help keep the oil potent. I absolutely love that. This one smells like castor oil, but not strongly of castor oil. So I guess oils like the peppermint and the tea tree and the rosemary may have muted that castor oil scent a bit, so it's not too overpowering. This oil in particular I keep specifically to my scalp. The next oil that I really like, and this one is a bit thicker than the other two, is the Lovely Locks Replenishing Oil from the Mixtress J. And the ingredients in this one is sunflower, castor, olive, sweet almond oil, grapeseed, argan, rosemary essential, tea tree essential, and lemongrass essential. And the consistency of this oil in particular, I love for my strands, not so much my scalp. This one is really good if you use oils in your LOC or LCO. This oil is definitely good for that. And the main scent that I get out of this is lemongrass, which is in my top. I have like let's say about 3 or 4 essential oils that I really enjoy, which are lavender, rosemary, lemongrass, not so much tea tree, but kind of sometimes depend on how it's mixed, and then sometimes I think it's jasmine. Is it jasmine? Doesn't matter. But I get lemongrass out of this the most, and that is just one of my favorite scents that I just really like and don't use as often. So when I put this in my hair smells of lemongrass. It just makes my day feel brighter, if that makes any sense at all. The next oil is the lemongrass infused hair growth oil from NguZuri. Now the thing is, it's lemongrass infused, but it doesn't smell like lemongrass. It just smells like, how do I even? It smells kind of herbal. That's the best I could probably describe it. It smells herbally. And the ingredients in this one, or the main ingredients, is Jamaican black castor oil, grapeseed oil, coconut, tea tree, and a lemongrass extract. Now before I list the final local oil blend that I'm really enjoying, I just want to give a special shout out to a brand that actually just dropped some stuff for me today, and that is Mericia's. And one of the products that they sent me was their revitalizing oil therapy. Now I have not used this yet. However, you guys know I just love to showcase local brands, so I just wanted to give them a little big up and show you that there are even more brands than what I mentioned that are really putting out good product. They're coming out, they're coming for your coins, and they're giving you quality products for your hair, for your skin, and for everything in between. So if anything, in the future, whether it be here or on my blog, I'll probably give you guys a review of this oil as well as the other products that she sent me. And then last but most certainly not least is the Rosemary Secret multi-purpose pure natural oil, and this oil is made from coconut oil, shea butter, cold pressed olive oil, castor, lavender, and rosemary oil. It does smell like a combination of lavender and rosemary, and I absolutely love the consistency of it. It is at a consistency where it is thick, but it does not weigh down my hair, and also I can use it on my skin and not feel greasy. So those are some of the local oil blends that I'm really enjoying in my hair. I tend to rotate my products. So if I use one oil this week, I'll use another the next week, and thus far my hair has had no issues, no qualms, no problems, no complaints or anything of the sort regarding the oils that I use. So that is a wrap up of some of my favorite local oil blends. Some of these are available in Pennywise, others are available direct, but I'm going to put links to all of the brands in the description box. Out of all of them, as to which I use the most, honestly, I try to rotate my products all the time, so there isn't any one specific oil that I use all the time. They all do well for my hair. Sometimes I even use them in combination with each other depending on what my hair needs. So tell me in the comments, what oils do you use in your hair? Do you use any oils in your hair at all? Are there any local brands that you use, or any other commercial brands of oils that you use either? Or are you a DIYer and you create your own oil blend? Let me know. I'm always game for trying and experimenting or checking out other products that you guys recommend. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, take care and God bless. Bye.